Hi guys, my name is Maria and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we'll discuss new trading situations about the market. We'll talk about the Nasdaq, S&P 500, we'll take gold, Brent, and also we'll take some currencies. So you are welcome to go through the whole video and say what you think about these instruments. Also, I would like to remind you that I have a Telegram channel and Instagram. You are welcome to join me and of course press this thumbs up right now. So go to watch what I'm gonna explain you now about the market. What I like right now about the current trading situations, I think not Brent, but the Great Britain pound, it looks kind of good. If you go to daily chart, you will see that now they are sitting in a range. It's a range, it's not a tendency. So all instruments that you use for trends are useless right now, and all those Fibonacci extensions, I would say that something that we need to cancel from our technical view. What it looks like right now, what do we have as a level of resistance? You can take from daily chart 139.49. After that it's like 140 level of resistance, which is a really strong one. So from current price it's around 80 pips to go, or 800 pips if you use the measure with a fifth sign after the dot. It means that above 139 we have a good opportunity to buy up to 140. To have a good explanation of what's going on with the market is something that we really need to, but also we need to find an entry point. Entry point is that entire moment when you are ready to buy or sell something. For that I go to 15-minute chart. And right now I can show you that market is being above 200 moving average. It means that we are really close to make a decision to buy this instrument. If we make a tendency, is it okay right now? Should we do that? I just told you that we are not going to draw tendencies because it's been in a range. So in a range, all tendencies are useless. If we take into account the moment when do we buy, it means that we need to follow stochastic oscillator 14.3.5. So it's like that. Make a quick screenshot. So yes, those are stochastic oscillator parameters. Now we go to the technique situation, and current price is being above 200 moving average on 15-minute chart. It gives me an opportunity to buy like right now and make a stop loss 138.75. and your target is 140. If it's not okay for you, you go to 1 hour chart. What should we wait for? We should wait for market, first of all, to give us some news. We have news, those are labor market news from America. And we need some shadows on the bottom side of the candle, so 4 hour chart or 1 hour chart, and this will mean that market is ready to go up to 140. Right now I kind of like this technical opportunity to buy up to 140. If we go to Great Britain pound with the Japanese yen, I would like to remind you that we have a technical opportunity to buy this instrument up to 155. I told you not even once on this YouTube channel. I told you that we have a target 155, but you have to give market some time. The end of April, beginning of May, this is a period when we have to give market time to rest a little bit. And after they break 152, they will go to up to 155. So please take into account this technical trading idea, because in a day or in 2 days or in a week, when I will say congratulations because here is a profit, don't say like I didn't hear about that, because this is technical thing that we should trade and we should take into account. It's kind of the same with the Brent. It's almost hit my profit 70 per dollar Brent. How come? How did we take this instrument? Why did we take it? I showed to my traders this technical reason. This is a small tendency from 8 of March, this one. And this was our entry point. My trading club my trading club in Russia, and all the traders who follow me on YouTube, you know, guys, that I'm making those tendencies, and that was an entry point. After they try to test it, give you a rebound, and you can see that this is the next target, 71. So I'm not making any new targets like 71.30, anything like that, not right now. This is our target. This means that we have to stop here. After they give a reaction for 70, and maybe after they break 70, we will try to buy intraday up to 71.30 as this one. This is the maximum price of 8th of March. So above 70, we may try to go up to 71.30, but no more bigger prices right now. Only after they break 71.30. Only after they break that level, we can discuss with you new maximum prices, new targets. And the first one goes up to 78.80, but only after they break 71.30 level, okay? So let's go to American indexes, because this is something that you trade. And for example, like for S&P 500, you know my target, it goes up to 4,220, and the second one is 4,380, so it's really far. Do we have sell signal right now? No, that was just a correction, and nothing bad is happening right now, so market is okay to go further up. There is no sell signal right now. If you go to Dow Jones, they're really good, and I told you that your target is 35,000. So above 34,000, you go up and buy up to 35,000. If you go to 1 hour chart, this is what's going on. They are above 34,000. If you go to Nasdaq, well, this is a scary situation, because a lot of my traders are so scared, like, oh, they're turning down, so they're gonna go down. Well, there is no bad sell signal right now. This is the beginning of month, and they just make a little correction, so there is no good sell signal yet. And this is a normal behavior of index. So I wouldn't be afraid right now, today on 5th of May, that they are giving us a sell signal. So don't be scared right now. For DAX, I don't trade it right now. I don't like it technically. So let's wait until they give us a good technical reason to trade. For Nikkei, also, I'm waiting for a good technical situation. I'm not trading it right now. For Russell 2000, it's good. For Russell 200, it's a good one. I like it. 2000. I'm not advising any new deals. Not like that. They're not breaking the level of resistance. So I would say it's okay to wait, because yes, we have a good target to buy this instrument. But I would wait for some correction, or they don't look like good to buy right now, seriously. And this is May coming to us, and we are in May right now. It means that we can get good corrections, and I do not like current trading situation, so I would ask you to wait as well. If you go to Bitcoin, they're not in a mood to go further up. They are in a range, and this is something that I told you weeks ago, that they will stay in a little range. For those who buy, they will show you long positions and like, oh, we're still going up. But for those who sell, they will try to show short positions. And this means that for us, it's not the best time to trade. Wait, because they still may show 41.38 level, okay? I'm not buying right now. For Ethereum, yes, we got profit, and my next target is 3,660, something like that. So for Ethereum, I'm still in. I work with that, and it's not like Bitcoin. I don't like Bitcoin right now to trade. So in the end, we'll discuss gold and silver. For gold, look, there was my target 1,805. This was my target, which is not done. Market is not giving me this target to trade. So what I'm thinking about, like, they showed a good level of resistance, this one, and you could follow it with the level, like they show you shadow on the upper side. What I think to trade, if they give me sell under 1,775, I will sell up to 1,760, something like that. So I'm not waiting for long positions anymore, and I'm not trying to buy right now. I don't like gold right now. I like silver even more. And what I'm thinking about is for silver, this one is good, 26.20. So what I'm gonna do to the end of this day, because well, I would say that this is a good day for silver, for gold. I would wait for them to give me a rebound or a break of this 26.20 area. If they give me a rebound, it means that they will try 27 level again. If they break it, so the first target to sell 25.80, and second target to sell is 25.30, something like that. So yes, I would say that right now, here's a really good situation for silver, not even for gold, but for silver. And if they give me a rebound from here, I'm gonna enter market again with the long positions. I told you to buy up to 27, and you are in profit, so you're welcome for that. And you know the 27 level was good. They touched it, they give a rebound, we got profit. And what do we do now? We are waiting for a signal. We're just waiting. So yeah, I want them to try this level and to show me how strong it is. and no other targets as 27 or 28, 25.30. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to discuss with you. I have not a lot of time, but I'm really glad to have my YouTube channel, to have you as my subscribers. You're welcome to ask me questions. I work with Forex, I work with the stock market, I work with oil, with the gold, with everything that we can sell or buy. And there are a lot of people around me right now who trade different instruments. Sometimes people have not a lot of time, so that's what for I give you technical like instruction on what you can use and what you can buy, how long to hold. I hope it helps you. So you're welcome to press those thumbs up and ask me questions under the video. See you later. Bye bye, guys.